What is CORS in a REST API? So let's use an example to just illustrate this. Let's assume that we have like um, an event that we are organizing. So let's say we are here and now we are inviting in this event some family members. Now in this event we are inviting not only just our family members but also a few friends. So these, let's say, are going to be here. So let's say here. Now when these family members coming, we let them in immediately. But when other people come in, like let's say a lot of people may come in, because we may have like let's say some flyers outside the house that we are expecting guests and so on. So a lot of people may come in, and the moment they come in, we may not like have plenty of room for everyone. Not that we are not like friendly and we don't really wait for guests, but we just want to make sure that the ones that we have invited are actually treated really well, because like we have prepared food and we have like some not a lot of space for unlimited guests. So we want to make sure that we are not really just allowing everyone in. So let's say here are our family members, and the moment they come in, we let them in immediately. And let's say a list of guests when they come in, like some friends or friends of our family members, we wanted to invite all the like them as well. They are going to like we have already added them in a list, and they are going to be also let in. Then let's say when someone who is not invited comes in, we are going to politely decline them, because we don't really have, let's say, space for them. Like we may make some exceptions, so to say, just to be kind, but in general we are not going to be able to allow uninvited people, like a lot of uninvited people in this let's now go back to our main topic. So let's assume that our event is basically the API, and now these family members, let's say, are from the same domain. So let's say we are in the same family, so we have the same, let's say, like blood line that is connecting us, like we have the same domain. So every family member that comes in, we are going to let them in like easily. But like let's say for others, we are going to have like some special treatment, and we are going to have like a service that is going to authenticate them, like authorize them. So let's say we have a friend here and a friend here and a friend here. So the moment they come in, like these, let's say, other websites, like these friends come from different families, so we assume that they are like, let's say, different websites, and the moment they come in, we are not going to just let them in. We want to make sure that they are in this list where we expect them to be. Like we don't really accept like requests from every website or from every client from the world. So we have like a list of course header. So we allow only these people to be added. If let's say we have like used a pattern to identify potential clients that may come in, if these users are, let's say, coming from domains that are not actually like allowed to access our API, we are just going to reject them. And this way we just make sure that our resources or our services from our API are only like used from who we actually expect to be used. Like let's say we have this API and we only expose it and we only allow this API to be used like from, let's say, 2 websites, or like let's say in this case 2 family members and 3 guests or whatever, but the rest are going to get like rejected, because like we want to make sure that we are only like giving services, or we are making our resources available to only these clients.